Steve Udella here for Land Academy. We've been purchasing unwanted land and reselling it immediately on the internet since 1999. We've been wholesaling it. Well, 15,000 deals later, my partner Jill and I tell all, and we provide the tools we use day in and day out to do more deals. So what's the deal? How do we get consistent and predictable, profitable results in these flips? Well, we send unsolicited offers to purchase to landowners by the ton every single week. In fact, for every 300 offers we send, we purchase a seriously undervalued piece of property. I used to be the vice president of a publicly traded real estate company. I learned a lot, and aside from learning that I didn't want to work for a company like that for the rest of my life, I became a pro at buying cheap property. Our small membership group of less than 300 has generated more than $300 million in equity and 25,000 transactions since 2015. Why? Because it works. Take a poke around. Listen to our podcast. Look at the deals we've closed on landpin.com. This is our way of giving back. It's a start-to-finish approach to really doing well wholesaling property. Like I say on the show all the time, the podcast, you are not alone in your real estate ambition. Oh, so everybody asks me also, tools like what? What's so special about this? Well, tools like a nationwide assessor database, the same one that all 3,200 counties use to send out property tax bills every single year. Tools like access to our wholesale bulk mailing operation that's made specifically for doing this. And our homegrown property review website, parcelfact.com, and many, many more tools. There's too many actually to mention in this short intro that we've accumulated over the last 2 decades. So start at landinvestors.com. It's a free online community I personally put together in late 2015 to help land investors get their questions answered from more experienced members. And it's real people doing real deals in real time. Thanks.